Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah guys, Faizan Munawar Varya with you. Today we will talk on how you can increase traffic on your website and how you can make an impressive outlook or digital appearance for your website, for your brand, for your app, and what are the problems which you usually face to increase views, subscribers to your YouTube channel. So it's very easy. What I would say, I've divided into 4 steps. First, what you need to do, you need to just focus on your content. This is the first thing, okay? Just focus on the content and try to create something which is very much in demand. Try to use the trends, the niches, and always use the great equipment, okay? First thing is the content. So second thing, well, it is linked with the first thing, and I kind of told you about that. It is equipment, okay? So you need to use a good equipment, a good sound quality, good background, good camera, okay, and a good mic. So if you're using it, so there's a more chances that you can get the viewers engagement. So how it works, that when you're running a campaign for any video, let's say if I take example, I start with let's say YouTube, okay? So it is very difficult and it's very challenging for any new YouTube users, that how they can drive traffic on their website or their YouTube channel. For YouTubers starting, what the problem which they face, I would say, that is having more views, okay? So having more views, that can actually define that that can be very challenging, right? It is very difficult to just have more traffic on your YouTube channel. So how you can do it? It's very easy. Like I said, the first thing I told you, that you need to work on your content. Second thing, you need to work on your equipment. And the third thing, which is very easy, you can work on it, that is a location, okay? I always say, why someone have to look into you? All right, if you're sitting somewhere, you are at your office, you are sitting sipping a coffee, that's good, but you know, why I have to watch you, keep watching you, okay? So that keep watching thing, what I have decided, I tell everyone that your background, look, I always use some different backgrounds on top of the view, building views and skyscrapers. I show it. Why? Because it matters, right? If your background is good, so you can get the more engagement. And now the fourth and final thing, which is you have to share, okay? Keep sharing. If you share to many people, tell your friends to like it and subscribe to your channel. This is very easy, all right? You can do it, simply do it, and you will get a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and traffic to your website, and lead generation. So these are all things. So it was just a small video. I try to summarize in 4 simple steps that how you can increase and traffic on your website, and how you can increase your subscribers, how to increase views on your YouTube channel or a website.